Hello students, today we start sum of AP. Sum of AP, that is exercise 5.3. Sum of AP Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this, Sn is the sum, n is the number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference. If we have last term given, so the sum is n upon 2 a plus an. In this, an is the last term. For an, a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is the first term and d is the common difference. In question number 1, the statement is find the sum of AP up to 10 terms. Up to 10 terms. In this AP, A is 2, common difference is A2 minus A1, 5. So formula of Sn is n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here value of n is 10, so it's 10 upon 2, a is 10, a is 2, so n is 10, d is 5. So this is 5, 4 plus 9 into 5, 45, this is 49. So 245 is the sum of the 10 terms. In second part, maths 37, 33, 29 up to 12 terms. So in this AP, A is maths 37, common difference is A2 maths A1, which is maths 33 plus 37, that's 4, and Sn is n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So sum of 12 term is 12 upon 2. The value of a is maths 37, n is 12, and value of d is 4. So this is cancel out as 6, 74, 11, 4, 44. So this is 6 minus 30. So 180 is the sum of this AP. In the third question, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, we are required to find the sum of 100 terms. A is 0.6, D is 1.7 minus 0.6, which is 1.1, and sum of 100 term is S100 is 100 upon 2, value of A is 0.6, 100 minus 1, and D is 1.1. So this is 50, this is 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. This is 50, this is 1.2, this is 99, this is 108. So it becomes 50, 11, this is 10, 1, 1. So 100, 10.1. When we remove this point, this cancel out. So this is 5, 0, 5, 5. This is the sum of this AP. In the fourth part, the statement is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10. We are required to find the sum of 11 terms. So A is 1 by 15, common difference is 1 by 12, minus 1 by 15. LCM of these two is 60. This is 5 minus 4, 1 upon 60. So S11 is 11 upon 2, Value of A is 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1. D is 1 by 16. So it's 11 upon 2, 2 upon 15 plus 10 into 1 upon 60. When we take LCM as 60, 15, 4, 4 to the 8 plus 10. So 11 by 2 into 18 by 60. This cancel out as 9. This is 20. So 33 by 20 is the sum of this AP. In question number second, find the sum of AP. Here AP is 7, 21 by 2 plus 14 and last term of AP is 84. In this AP A is 7, B is A2 minus A1, 7 to the 14 which is 7.2 and AN is 84. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D which is 84. So value of A is 7, D is 7 by 2 which is 84, N minus 1 into 7.2, 84 minus 7, 7.2, 77, N minus 1, 77 into 2 by 7, 11, 22, 23. So N is 23 and we are required to find the sum of 23 terms. In this AP we have last term, so we find S23 by using a formula N by 2 A plus AN. In this N is 23, 23 upon 2 and first term is 7. Last is 84. This is 23 upon 2, 81. Solve this, multiply this and divide this by 2. In question number second, the statement is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus 10. In this AP, A is 34, B is minus 2 and AN is 10. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D which is 10. A is 34 and D is minus 2 equals to 10. So this is 34 minus 2n plus 2 equals to 10 minus 2n. 36. This is 26 and is 30 and S13 is 13 by 2 A plus N 10. So this is 13 by 2 into 44. This cancel out. So 32 by 26. This is 26, 28. So 286 is the sum of this AP. In the next question, the statement is third is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11. Last term is 230. 230. In this AP, A is minus 5, B is minus 8, minus 5, minus 8 plus 5, which is minus 3, and AN is minus 230. This is A plus N minus 1 into D, minus 230. A is minus 5, N minus 1, D is minus 3, minus 230. Minus 5, minus 3n plus 3, 230, minus 3n is equal to, this is minus 2, 230, this becomes minus 230 plus 2, so this is 3n equals to 228, so n is 228 by 3, 37, this is 6, so 76 is the n. And its sum is S76 is 76 by 2 A plus N. So this is 38. Multiply 38 by 235 to get the sum of this A. Solve all these sums. If any problem, then contact me. Thanks.